Monday, October 30th, about 8:15, I am documenting some flooding that occurred on the Pumpco property site sometime during the night. I believe it's water coming from these two tanks, or where the tanks were hooked up to this water truck, and it appears to have run for a long time. I would guess all night long. I'm panning down our fence line toward Farm to Market Road 1703. As you can see, the water does go all the way to that property line and onto, across the silt fence, onto our property at the edge of the road, coming up onto our driveway about 30 feet, continuing on down 1703, and I just walked down there and it is still running. It has not rained for I don't know how long, quite a long time. During the night we had about 2/10 of an inch of rain, not enough to cause anywhere this amount of flooding.